Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by charring and blanching to build clarity and depth. First, put 4/6 lb split marrow and knuckle bones under a hot broiler until edges blacken. Char onion and ginger too. Once charred, transfer bones to a pot, cover with cold water and bring to a rapid boil briefly, about 5–10 minutes, then drain and rinse. This step removes blood and scum so the final broth is clear and pure. Make sure to scrape off any remaining bits before the next step. You now build the aromatic backbone. Toast 2 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, and 1 cardamom pod in a dry pan until fragrant. This blooms essential oils. Add toasted spices to the cleaned bones along with charred onion, ginger, and 3–4 liters cold water. Bring to a boil to extract gelatin, then immediately reduce to a gentle simmer. Once reduced, skim the surface often during the first 30–45 minutes. Then maintain low heat and simmer for 3–6 hours to develop richness. You finish by clarifying, seasoning, and cooling. Remove bones and large solids, then strain the broth through a fine mesh or cheesecloth. For storage, cool quickly in an ice bath to 3–4 degrees C before refrigerating. Taste and adjust with fish sauce and a touch of palm sugar to balance. Add toasted onion for aroma if needed. If the broth is cloudy or greasy, reskim on low heat and use an egg white raft to clarify. This will trap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.